Indulge in this exquisite recipe for a delectable cake. Start by whipping up eggs with sugar until frothy, then add room temperature butter. Mix sour cream with baking soda and combine it with the egg mixture. Gradually incorporate flour to form a soft dough. Chill the dough. Roll out into thin layers, bake on parchment paper until golden. For the luscious cream, blend room temperature butter until fluffy, then slowly add condensed milk and vanilla. Finally, mix in half a white chocolate bar and coconut flakes. Layer the cake, spreading the cream between each layer. Top with grated white chocolate and more coconut flakes. Refrigerate for a few hours. This cake is slightly crispy, beautifully moist, and melts in your mouth. Check the description for full details.